Hey, just taking a look at this Lunii Storyteller for kids. It has a very simple construction. Basically, it charges here, and you can actually download also new books, new audiobooks, stories. Has a headphone jack here. Other than that, it's really simple. Volume here, and then it doesn't just tell stories. You can actually choose your own story on here. So, like if I go here.
Who will be the hero of your story?
Then I can choose who
Ben.
Ben. I can choose.
Suzanne. Ben, where will your story take place? In a castle. At the sea. In a forest.
I can make up my own, put the own details of my story, and then.
Who will your hero meet? And finally, choose an object.
And then it'll tell you a story.
A ladder.
So anyway, it's really cool, and you can get new stories, like I said, really neat. Kids really like it, especially to go to bed. They can actually just take this in their room and kind of like, it's nice and soft, like a silicone cover, so they can just kind of curl up with it in bed and go to bed with it.